Hello everyone, my name is Fajar Purnama, and on this video I'm going to show you about donating with applications. Thanks to the internet today, you have many options for donating, and the first one I want to show you is to donate through cryptocurrency. So all of this application is in Indonesia, and a website called IndoGiving. They have a website that you can donate to a project or to anyone or to anything, and you can donate them here in cryptocurrencies, and they accept Bitcoin and Ethereum. And here I want to enter the amount of Ethereum, and I want to donate 0.08 Ethereum to a project, and then that's it. My donation is waiting, so I have to send to this address. And if I'm correct, IndoGiving is in collaboration with Toko Crypto. So when I send Ethereum when I donate Ethereum to IndoGiving, they will send it to Toko Crypto, and they will convert it to Indonesian rupiah. And here I have an Ethereum from my Indodax crypto trading account. When I try to send Ethereum to this address, it is saying, let's see, okay, I keep on forgetting the address. It is saying, it keeps on saying invalid address. And I tried many stuff, including registering to Toko Crypto, and when I tried to send, okay, here's the registration process, and when I tried sending Ethereum to Toko Crypto, Indodax doesn't support. Indodax doesn't support. So my workaway around was to create a Binance account, and this time I didn't send some Ethereum to Binance, but I sent some BNB and buy some Ethereum. And then here in Binance, okay, so I'm waiting until my trade is complete. Now I got it. Now in Binance, I send Ethereum to this donation address. And here is a project that I'm donating. So it's about someone's newborn child which is having health problems or something. So I'm donating 0.08 address, and the previous I donated, if I'm correct, was I'm donating to building a school. Okay, sorry. So I need to open my email just like Indodax to verify my withdrawal, and so this one is processing. Let's go to the next video. And here I still missed a link. So when I got an email, I have to go to this address to confirm To confirm my donation, I have to input the TXID. So I can get my TXID from my Binance history. And here I have problem that it didn't work. And so what I did is I kept on trying, even though the from Binance, okay, that one is processing, but I remember that it was complete. So what yes, it's complete. So I actually send the Ethereum to I actually successfully donate some Ethereum, but it will not show on my profile, and it says that I was not donating. And this is quite important, so to know that from whom they are receiving the donation, and maybe not some money laundering or whatever. So what I did was I sent an email, not from here, this was online, so it was a mistake. I sent an email through Gmail to their website. And finally I got a reply. Yes, I got a reply that they have fixed the problem and they manually input. So all I need to go is to go to my history page, and here it is. This is my receipt that I have successfully donated 0.08 Ethereum times 2 to these two projects. And then take a look at the front page, which was previously 0 donation to them, and here it is shown that I am the first person to have donated. So 0.08 Ethereum is around 306,000 rupiah. How much is that? $30? Yeah, I think so. No, $20. And there it is. So now people are making applications of cryptocurrencies, and this application is about you can donate using cryptocurrencies. So it seems to be already a long video. I will stop right now.